Here we are out here at Otay Mesa again. We're actually on the other side of the building, as you can see in the background. We're excavating the other side, getting it prepped for install. The piers and the footings are a lot shallower over here than that big trench that we had on the other side. We're basically about a foot below grade, but the footings are thicker than they were over there. They're about 3.5 feet thick by 3 feet wide. Sun's on us all day over here, unfortunately, so we're having to keep the guys well hydrated. We're having to do breaks like every couple hours. We're giving the guys a break, getting them out of the sun, getting them in the shade. We're having to wear respirators and stuff because there's a major silica hazard due to the air hammers that we're using. Got to protect the guys first and foremost. Safety glasses, everything, hearing protection. There's a lot more hazards over here than there was on the other side. Once we get everything pretty much prepped, we're digging down, we're undermining, we're chipping back to where we can get our piers up underneath the wall per the engineer's request. We're going to basically, once everything's prepped, get everything installed. However, once this side's done, we should be done probably tomorrow with this side. We'll have to be moving back to the back of the building again where there's not enough room for tractors, and it's basically everything's going to be off the muscle back there.